So guys, Cardi and Cardi here with you again, guys, and this time I have a Taramps Smart 3 on the bench, guys. So problem with this one, guys, I get it, say it plays for a while, then it goes into protection mode, guys. It chips out, it goes into protection mode, and stuff. So I got it, output, everything is fine and stuff like that, guys. So as you can see from here, guys, I hooked it up, I'm playing, I'll show you guys, speaker right here, amplifier right here, things hooked up, and I was playing it. So guys, this is an issue that I got with a lot of Taramps. I wouldn't say only Smart 3, but a lot of them. Even the HD 3000, guys, yes, they say play sometimes goes into. But let me show you guys, even the 5000 Smart 5, yes guys, and the 8Ks, yes, I get the same problem, guys. So let me tell you guys about this problem. This problem, guys, this one have a noisy fan. This fan, when you play it for a while, if you could feel this right here, guys, the power supply section, guys, the transformer is eating up. Yes, I played for like I think I played for like half an hour before it started eating up, because I was like, nothing's wrong with the amplifier. Then the fan comes on, making a noisy sound, guys, really noisy. From before I thought it was the fan. To myself I said, yeah, bet it's the fan, and I was right, it's the fan. It's noisy, guys. So let me show you guys sometime. Let me try to put it on and see if it will come down, because I just stopped. You hear that, guys? Let me turn it off. You heard that? Yes. This fan is really noisy. And this one, let me see if it's connected to the same area. No. And this one don't get eaten as yet. But guys, oh yeah, this should be on, but it's not on. So let me check, guys, if it's connected to the same circuit. And this one is not turning on, because that should turn on and it's not doing it. So I'm gonna go to the positive lead, guys. And I should hear a beep. Alright, guys, you see that? They both connect to the same area. This one is not coming out for the output area, guys. So yes. Oh yeah, these are running at temperature. This is running at temperature. This is noisy. As you can see, guys, this one is really noisy. This one is not coming out. So this is a fun issue with this amplifier, guys. So let me unplug these. And also take out the speaker of it, guys, because something, yep. This is going to be a fan replacement, guys. Yep. This is going to be fan replacement of this amplifier, guys. So let me see if I can, yeah. I don't think I have to take off anything. I have to just remove the fans from back here, guys. Yeah, this amplifier, yeah, it was eating up. I told you I have to play it for like half an hour, guys, at full volume, guys, before, I really figured out what's going on. It was playing, guys, believe me, it was playing. And then after the fan comes on, I heard that noise, I said, yeah, that's it. I get this, guys, several times. That's the only way to test it, guys, to really know. Yeah, believe me. But you can take out the fan if you want and test it by themselves, but sometimes it will work because you're gonna pour it up like really fast. Yeah, but it's in the amplifier. That's the best way, guys, to really figure out what's going on. So yep. Hold on, I think the camera is lean. So these are, I don't know, they blow. Yeah, they blow that way. It goes that way, guys. So yes, it blows the air across and it goes through the front here. So airflow goes that way, guys. That way with these fans. So that's why we see these guys, the label here, that meaning the airflow going that way. Anywhere this point to, that's where the airflow goes. Always remember that. So yep. Let's remove these two fans. Whoa. Sorry about that, guys. Sorry about that. I turned off a switch I have here for the light. Give me a minute, guys. I'm gonna get these fans. Alright, guys. So I'm back. So these are, let me see. Make sure they are 12 volts. No, guys, they are 12 volts. This doesn't show the amp on these. Alright, these I have here, guys. Okay. Okay, these doesn't show the amp either. I normally get them showing the amp. So yes, guys, these are what I'm going to replace it with, guys. This brand. Get this on AliExpress, eBay also. Yep. Come on, I'm gonna have to cut these wires. So one is gonna be longer than the other. But let's see. That's the longest one right there. And this is the shorter one. So this shorter, I'm gonna give it some room on the wire. So yep. Right, so let's go ahead. Alright, so let's remove this one first, positive, negative. Positive. Come on. Alright, come on, come on. Positive, negative. Alright, they're connected right there. This side now, they're positive, negative. Alright. So yes, guys. So this one is gonna go on this side here. Whew. Good. This one is gonna go here. And I can bet you guys when I pour it on, you're not gonna hear that noisy sound from none of these. You're not even gonna know they're on. Okay, guys. I just give it a little blow, guys. You know, see if it moves, but you know it goes. Yes. Ten. Oh yeah. Good. Right. Just know, guys. Watch this. Fans on. See, guys, you're not even hearing the fans. They stop now. Wow. So yes, guys. So as you can see, let me see. Yeah, this one is a nice one. You could feel that in the thing. So normally, guys, I would use a right 9 volt battery, guys. Give me a minute. I could use this right here. This is the amplifier. Oh yes, I could use it. So let's see. Um, this one. This is a nice one, guys. Yeah, this is a shorter one. This is the one I think wasn't coming on. Let's see if it comes on now. Ha ha. Not coming on, guys. So I told you, this thing is not coming on to save its life. It's life. See that, guys? Look, it's not. Look at that. See? So this one was blown, guys. So let me do something here, guys. Normally I would just check back here, and you could see if it blown on the thing. It's not showing on here, guys. But this is shot, guys. Yeah. So, yep. Fun, guys. Taramp Smart 3. This, guys, fun issue. So yes. Thing is good, guys. Up and working now. So you know, guys, please like, subscribe if you like what you see, guys. And any of the Taramp, guys, let me tell you, it's not only this one I told you, guys. All of them. 8K, 5K, Smart 5, Smart 3, Smart 5. Same issue, guys. Fun. If your amplifiers, guys, play for a while, then it goes into protection mode. Like, say it plays for, like, said, 15 minutes, 10 minutes. Depends on how the bounce in it, you know, stuff like that. Because if you play it at low volume, it will take a time before it goes into protection mode. Chipped out, as some people would say. Yeah, but if you play it for a while, guys, and stuff like that, and you heard something like the fan getting noisy, if you ever heard the fan getting noisy, yeah, you have issues. Replace that fan. All of them. Not one, all of them. You know? That's what I got them. Believe me, guys, I get them with that problem like over and over and over and over. Guys, so this was a fan issue, guys. So yeah, just let you know, guys, know. Yes, this fan can put it in the protection mode, guys. These two fans. Please replace them if it goes into protection mode. Okay, guys? Yes, please like, subscribe, like what you see, guys, and Cardi, guys, is out for now, alright? No free split.